In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to see your Valorant Store on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you need to do to check your store on your phone is use an external tool called Valorant King or valking.gg. I want to make a disclaimer and say that this app is not approved by Riot themselves. However, it does include a daily shop checker functionality, but you will have to log in using your Valorant ID and password. Do this at your own risk, since, like I said, this is not approved by Riot themselves. However, if you decide to use the app and go through with the installation, as you can see, not only are you able to see profiles and details about the players and games that they have played, you can also use the feature Daily Shop Checker to see what skins are on your daily shop from the app itself. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your Valorant store on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.